I bought this car for only $1,500. It didn't even have an engine. The paint was destroyed, the body was rough, and almost everything was broken. Most people would have called it junk, but for me, it was a dream. This was my dream car, a BMW E46 Coupe facelift. I knew from the first moment, this project wouldn't be easy. I started from the heart, the engine. I installed a 2.8-liter motor and brought it back to life. Then came the endless little problems, fixing, replacing, adjusting, step by step. After months of work, it was finally time for paint. The inspiration? Candy red. I'm not even sure if it's real candy, but it shines just the way I imagined. I changed the wheels, improved the stance, and now it's still a work in progress. But when I look at it now, it's hard to believe this was once a pile of junk. This is more than just a car. It's a reminder that passion and patience can turn anything into something beautiful.